and welcome to TULIKA'S Talk Show. So today I'm going to tell you about pythons. Even I don't know about pythons, do you know? I don't think so. So now let's go and know some facts about pythons. Introduction. Pythons are one of the largest snakes. They don't have poison. Pythons live in the tropic areas of Africa and Asia. They can be found in rainforests, savannas, and deserts. A lot of people keep them as pets. Pythons don't attack humans unless they are provoked or stressed. Number 1. Pythons are constrictors. They kill their prey by squeezing them until they stop breathing. Number 2. After they kill an animal, they will swallow it in one piece. Everything except fur and feathers will be digested. Undigested material can be found in the python's poop. Number 4. Size of the prey determines the time needed for digestion. Bigger prey can keep the snake satiated for weeks or months. Pythons eat 4 to 5 times per year. Number 5. They eat wild animals such as monkeys, antelopes, caimans, etc. Pythons attack their prey from the ambush. They are well camouflaged and hidden usually in the trees. Number 7. Although they are mainly located on the ground or in the trees, pythons are excellent swimmers also. Number 8. One of the longest known python species is reticulated python, which can reach 30 feet in length. Most snakes weigh between 260-300 pounds. Isn't it amazing? Number 9. Pythons can move 1 mile per hour on the flat grounds. Last but not the least. Number 10. In captivity, pythons may live up to 40 years. Wasn't this amazing? And the facts were very interesting also. If you have more facts, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so your friends can also know about the world around. Yes. Goodbye. Love you guys. Thank you for all your support. Bye.